Hi friends, here we have to find the domain of this function. Sine inverse log x by 3 to the base 3. We know sine function runs between minus 1 to 1. The range of sine theta is minus 1 to 1. Naturally, for sine inverse, because there is sine inverse, log x by 3 by to the base 3. This should be between minus 1 to 1. Right? Minus 1 should be less than or equal to log x by 3 to the base 3 will be less than or equal to 1. This should happen. Otherwise, say for example, if this is something like 2, log x by 3 to the base 3 is 2 or 4, then sine inverse 2 or 4 is not applicable. Sine inverse is not valid function, right? Sine inverse has to be like whatever this part, this has to lie between minus 1 and 1, right? Otherwise, sine inverse is not defined. So now log x by 3 to base 3 should lie between minus 1 and 1. What does that mean? 3 power minus 1 less than or equal to x by 3 should be less than or equal to 3 power 1. Right. Let's say, for example, log x to the base 3 is equal to 4. What does that mean? X equals to 3 power 4. We are using the same method here. X by 3 should be less than or equal to 3 power 1. X by 3 should be greater than or equal to 3 power minus 1. And let's multiply with 3 on both sides. So 3 into 3 power minus 1. That is 1 should be less than or equal to 3 into 3 power 1. That is 3 square. 1 should be less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 square is 9. That is the correct answer. X should lie between 1 to 9. Very simple problem. Right guys. Only trick here is to identify that sine inverse lies between minus 1 to 1 and then doing simple algebraic manipulation. Okay. We just need to be little careful here. X by 3. This x by 3 log is defined only when x by 3 is positive, right? So here anyway we don't need to worry because x is anyway positive. Otherwise we need to be little careful when we are dealing with logs, right guys? Thank you.